On July 22, the Northeast Frontier Railway will resume passenger train services in the Lumding-Badarpur section of Assam, connecting Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and southern Assam to the rest of the country. In the hill section under Lumding Division, both passengers and freight train services were cancelled due to the heavy rains and unprecedented landslides on May 14. Union State Minister of Railways and Textiles stated the Northeast Frontier Railway assisted with logistics during the pandemic and is working to improve connectivity. Since May 13, severe rain has triggered 61 landslides on NFR's Lumding-Badarpur single-line railway. Heavy rain caused landslides that buried railway tracks and other assets. Thousands of employees and hundreds of machines worked around the clock in severe weather. Tripura and Mizoram approached the External Affairs Minister to bring essential supplies and fuels via Bangladesh.